I've put oil in my hair, so that's why I look like this. Well, आज work from home है and I'm just sitting and doing some work. I have a meeting at 11. वो करने के बाद मैं नहाने जाऊँगी. I removed my nail paint. I need to redo it. So yeah, it was a pretty productive morning. And my actually early morning meeting at 8:30 got cancelled. I'm having my ACV. So that's the plan right now. So I have almost edited my today's Amazon video, so I'm gonna make it live. But अभी पहले तो मैंने सुबह तेल डाल दिया था बालों में, तो ये जब थोड़ा सा आई थिंक अभी 2 घंटा हो जाएगा, उसके बाद मैं नहाने जाऊँगी. सो 11 बजे का कॉल करने के बाद मैं नहाने जाऊँगी और कुछ काम है थोड़ा. उसके बाद आई एम थिंकिंग आई फिल्म वीडियोज़ टुडे बिकॉज आई रियली नीड टू and want to film a couple of reviews today which I haven't filmed since long, so that's there. So as I mentioned, I put hair oil. I really wanted to talk about my hair care journey. You guys know I have been always concerned about my hair, especially the current problem that everyone faces, that is hair fall. A lot of us have forgotten hair oiling and that has taken a back seat. But believe me, if you really want good hair growth, stronger, longer hair and avoid hair fall, hair oil is very important. Lately I've been trying out the Grandma Secret 13 herbs hair oil for hair fall control, which is completely handmade, natural and Ayurvedic. Now this hair oil is made with pure ingredients and it has very limited ingredients like extra virgin coconut oil, curry leaves, aloe vera, castor oil, amla, bhringraj, black seeds, methi dana, camphor, neem, flax seeds, hibiscus and brahmi, all of the goodness in one single oil. It is a bit thick and has a very strong smell, but the effect of this hair oil is outstanding. This hair oil also has another name as the Dadi Ka Nuska, as the Grandma Secret, and you guys should definitely get your hands on this and try it once. I have seen the results within the first use itself. This will help you control your hair fall like no other. So I decided to make some quick wraps for myself for lunch. It's just a basic simple stir fry wrap. I'm adding some cheese spread and with that I'm gonna add like stir fry veggies. It's just broccoli, bell peppers, onion, paneer, and then in that I've added like za'atar mix, oregano and chili flakes and salt of course. It's basic, quick. I always need like a nice sauce on my wraps. I cannot have it like just as it is dry. And yeah, there are beans as well. I love beans. I forgot about that. So I'm just gonna like wrap it up and kind of saute it on the pan, toast it, whatever you want to call. And yeah, that is going to be my lunch for today. And it was really delicious, simple but yet filling. This is next day and I am just icing my face. This is something that I do regularly. I have been doing this for the last 3 to 5 months now, probably more than that. I think a year actually. I've been doing it since Jan. So yeah, I actually use these ice rollers. Hi guys, I just woke up and I did my ice facial thing like I showed you guys, and it is a bit, as you can see, it's wet. I'm not wiping it off. I'm gonna let it air dry as it is. And now I'm gonna have my morning drink. I've been having this for the last 1 month now. I used to have just hot water, but I think since last 1 month I changed it to chia seeds and lemon. So you can see there's half a lemon and chia seeds, and there's Simba behind. He's just rolling on the floor because even he woke up, and yeah, after having this I need to take him down for a walk. So that's what I'm doing right now. You know, the moment the water kind of dries out, my face will become way better. It'll become a little bit deeper. But yeah, that's the plan. Look who's here. So, if you've been following me for a while, especially on Instagram, you would know I've been into painting a lot and it's so therapeutic. I actually completed this painting a couple of weeks back. I know my vlogs are like extremely behind, but I took a lot of time lapse. I'll probably share like 2-3 of them over the period of time, but it's very calming, de-stressing, and something that I've been enjoying so much. I've already started my another paintings. By the way, these paintings I got from Amazon. These are like numbered paintings that we used to do as a kid, but this is especially for adults, so that, you know, it's very minute details. You kind of get into that very minute work and you have to be very detailed, so keeps your mind distracted. I love doing this at night or on the weekends. And this day, okay, while I was painting, it started to rain. The weather was so beautiful. You'll eventually see in the time lapse it starts to get so gloomy and dark. I hope you all enjoyed looking at those views. I was craving some chaat, so I decided to make this. This was at my home. Everybody loves it. Me, my mom, and my ba. So we were just having this and enjoying the weather. And then again, after that, I started to continue with my painting. So yeah, let me know if you enjoy watching these time lapse, because I would love to share them and film them for you, because I love doing it. It's so therapeutic. The vibrant colors, and you know, you have to get into the details, and the end results is best. I will link these canvases below. It's actually a canvas. You can eventually frame it up as well. After this, I had some dinner, guys, and yeah, this is going to be something that's going to be coming up in my next vlog, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I'll be soon sharing some planner content as well, so